never gonna see them again. I know we always say that, but that's because there's one thing that theme park attractions and horror movies have in common. No matter how the story starts out, something always goes horribly wrong. But I have a feeling tonight is going to be different. It's Halloween, it's Terror Tram, and we're taking you to a remote section of the back lot at night, where some of the most infamous killers in horror movie history used to roam. What could possibly go wrong? Oh crap.
I'm sorry to interrupt your fun, ladies and gentlemen. I am Gloria Strickland, and I am the Chief Executive Officer of Hazard Valuation and Eco-Crisis Management at the studio. I just need to speak with your tour guide for a minute. Where do you think you're going?
It's Terror Tram. We're going to the back lot.
I'm afraid that is out of the question.
Why?
Had you bothered to check in with our self-serve employee info kiosks when you clocked in this evening, you would know that that area is under a chartreuse level threat assessment and off limits to employees and the public.
What's a chartreuse level threat assessment?
Our data suggests that the color red panics people. Look, those are very old structures. They are riddled with termites, infested with vermin. Why, the whole place is crawling with bugs.
Are you tired of humans? Are you sick of being stepped on, squashed, swatted, and sprayed? Then call the Exterminators, the #1 name in human pest control. Our helpful and discreet operators are standing by 24/7 to answer all your human pest needs. Have you got cantankerous Karens, hostile haters, entitled teens, or irritating influencers? Then call the Exterminators today and make your human problems go away. Hi, I'm Larry Larva. Did you know 90% of all life forms on this planet are insects? We outnumber humans 1 billion to 1. 1 billion to 1! Humans don't stand a chance. They call us pests, vermin, and creepy crawlers. But insects have occupied this planet for over 400 million years. Rodents, 50 million years. Humans, a measly 300,000. And look what they've done to the place. They poisoned the air with noxious gases. They've contaminated the land and water with dangerous chemicals and toxic waste. And they say the dung beetle is gross because he lives in poop. Please! That's why I invented the Sqwooge, the only humanicide on the market that's guaranteed to kill humans dead. It looks like a milkshake, it tastes like a cheeseburger, and it smells like warm apple pie. Humans can't resist it. Just one taste and they're Sqwooge. 100% guaranteed or you're running back. But don't take my word for it. Just ask one of my quintillion satisfied customers. So what are you waiting for? Call the Exterminators today, because humans are a pest.
Yeah, I'm gonna think about bugs, so sorry to drop you and fly, but you're gonna have to get out and walk or crawl. Happy Halloween!
Are you tired of humans? Are you sick of being stepped on, squashed, swatted, and sprayed? Then call the Exterminators today and make your human problem go away. Humans are a pest.
Maybe the radio's gonna get us late.
Keep moving, folks. Don't stop. 100% guaranteed or your money back. Need a demonstration?
Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.
It's time to rise up from the sewer. Free yourselves from the cages and traps of our human oppressors and claim our right. Did you know insects on this planet outnumber humans a Did you know insects on this planet outnumber humans a billion to one? Humans don't stand a chance. And make them feel the sting of our wrath. Remember, humans are a pest. What have humans ever done for us except try to eradicate us from this planet? Humans, with their inflated life expectancy, greedily consuming all of our natural resources, exterminating. Rise up, my brothers and sisters. Cast off those nets. Free yourselves from the traps of our human oppressors and make them feel the sting of our wrath. Remember, humans are a pest. What have humans ever done for us except try to eradicate us from this